Hey there, y'all. Come on in, it's so good to see you. What if I told you your backyard could grow more than food? It could grow your future. Today, we're diving into the best spring crops that don't just fill your plate. They heal the earth. And guess what? These are so simple. Even a kid can grow them. No green thumb required, so stick around, because the last crop might just surprise you with its power. Oh, and before we dig in, hit that like button like it's a garden gnome full of gold. Share with your fellow earth lovers. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a chance to grow your own sustainable paradise. Now let's talk leafy greens. We're talking spinach, kale, and lettuce. All those good things that make you feel like you just stepped out of a spa day. Imagine being able to pick your own salad in just a few weeks, like having your own salad shop in your backyard. And the best part is, these greens are like little superheroes for your soil. They grow super fast, which means their roots are constantly working their magic, making the soil healthier with every leafy sprout. Talk about a win-win. Now when it comes to planting, picture this. You've got your rows all prepped and ready to go. You sprinkle those tiny seeds like you're adding sprinkles to a cake. And then the magic starts to happen. Those little seeds start to sprout, reaching for the sky, and before you know it, you've got a lush green carpet of goodness. But here's a little tip from a seasoned gardener. Don't harvest the whole plant at once. Instead, just pluck the outer leaves as you need them. This keeps the plant happy and producing for even longer, which means more fresh salads for you. It's like having a little secret garden that just keeps on giving. Isn't that the best kind of magic? Next up, let's talk about those adorable little garden helpers. Peas. I'm talking snow peas, sugar snaps, and those classic garden peas that make the sweetest side dish. Peas are like the garden's magic helpers. They grow up tall and leave secret gifts in the soil for the next plants. They're like the good neighbors of the garden, always looking out for each other. See, peas have this incredible ability to pull nitrogen from the air and store it in their roots. And guess what? Nitrogen is like plant food, helping them grow big and strong. So when you plant peas, you're not just growing a delicious snack, you're actually giving your soil a boost of natural fertilizer for the next round of crops. It's like they're paying it forward, and who doesn't love a good neighbor like that? Now here's a fun fact about peas. They love to climb, so grab some string, some sticks, or even an old tomato cage and create a little trellis for them to climb. They'll grab on with their tiny tendrils and climb right up, creating a beautiful green wall in your garden. Not only does it look charming, but it also saves space and makes those peas easier to pick. It's a win-win for you and your garden. Chapter 3. Garlic, the unsung hero of your garden. Now y'all know I love a good surprise, and this next one is a real game changer. We're talking about garlic. Garlic is like your garden's bodyguard. It keeps the bugs away and makes your food taste amazing. It's like the unsung hero of the garden, quietly working its magic beneath the surface. See, garlic has these powerful natural compounds that repel those pesky insects that want to munch on your plants. It's like having a natural bug repellent that also adds tons of flavor to your meals. Talk about a win-win. And planting garlic is as easy as pie. Just take those individual cloves, the ones that make up the whole garlic bulb, and gently separate them. Now, you want to plant them pointy side up, just like little garden soldiers going into battle. Give them a little space to breathe, tuck them into the soil, and water them in well. Before you know it, those little cloves will send up shoots, and you'll have a whole army of garlic protecting your garden and adding that delicious garlicky goodness to your dishes. Let's rewind. We've got speedy leafy greens, super helpful peas, and garlic, your garden's secret superhero. Each one gives more than it takes. And that's what real sustainability is all about. Creating a garden that thrives in harmony with nature. Here's your mission. Pick one of these and plant it this week, then comment below which one you chose and what you're naming it. Yes, plants need cool names too. If this video planted a seed in your mind, help it grow. Hit like, share it with your garden buddies, and subscribe so we can keep growing this journey together. Until next time, remember, grow what gives back.